Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime. Today I'm at my friend's house sitting while she's away on vacation for Christmas break. Today I received my marine air conditioner from MarinAire. It's a 16,000 BTU air conditioner, and this is an unboxing of it. So this is the model number here. Right there you can see you're looking at buying this air conditioner. It's just under like $1,940, including shipping and taxes. If there were taxes, I'm not sure, but I think it was including shipping and taxes. So this is an unboxing of it. This little peephole thing, so you can see the gauges of the conditioner, the air conditioner. So anyway, let's do an unboxing of this. I've got to do a haul out on my on SY Sublime before I can put this. I'm going to put this in, but I won't be able to hook it up to the water source because I have to do a haul out on SY Sublime, do bottom paint and stuff like that. So alright, so that's that part, and then the packaging, I guess. Ooh, there's a lot of it. This stuff really comes in handy too. If you should keep this stuff. This stuff is excellent. Comes in handy for things. So this is the unit. Instructions and the unit inside of its box. The lifting point, and this will be the I believe this is the accessories. Yep, accessories. Yep. Let's get this open. It doesn't come with any of the it doesn't come with the pump. I've got to buy a 500 gallon pump for this, and I've got to buy some of the through-hole fitting hoses, I believe. So this is the wiring diagram for the wiring diagram, air conditioner. So I'm assuming that is this box here. So that's that. Remote control, which I really don't have no use for. This is the this is the humidity sensor that gets put inside the cabin somewhere. Humidity sensor. And this is the cable, the RJ5 cable for the controller to the unit. These are the rubber mounting feet for the unit. This is the controller, the wall controller, which came with. This is the wall controller here. So it's cool, it's pretty cool. So that's the accessories, and then this is the unit itself. Maybe I could be able to pack all this up, get it into my boat. Maybe on the weekend. So, and there's a lot of this stuff. Stuff's going to come in handy, especially this big piece. Okay. Wow. So get that off. Do all the bubble wrap. This stuff here. Wow. That's gonna fit. That will fit in. It's gotta go. So in my last video, I was cutting out a console hole for cutting out the. It was in my last video anyway, to put this in. So the only thing I'm waiting for now is my water maker from Ecotech. So I'll put that there. This is the control box. This is really nice. Wow. This is really, really nice. This box is all stainless steel too. So, yeah, switch that off. Damn it. Shoot. I really do need some camera equipment. Okay, this is the control box. That mount's a little bit bent, but I think I'm going to take those bottom mounts off and draw those bottom mounts off, because it's not going to really fit. They're not going to go where I need to go, so I'm just going to use these side mounts for that. And then I'm going to come over the top to put the wires in instead of underneath. So yeah, I think that's a control box. I'm going to get a screwdriver to open that up. So turn this around. This is the blower. What's that? Oh, does it go up automatically? I think I'll probably unscrew it. So that's the blower. And then I don't know what that is. Something do something there. That's weird. Right. Okay, and these are the pump connection hoses here for your hoses in and out. I don't know which is which yet. Assuming that I don't know which is which yet. I have no idea for the hoses yet. And this is the drain for the pan. That's the drain for the pan. Oh yeah, it's got a. Oh wow, it's got another humidity sensor down here. So I guess you get two of them. So this has got to go inside the vessel somewhere. It's going to have to be disconnected. That one. So it's going to be inside of a enclosure. So that's probably not going to be all that great there. So I have to hook this one up somewhere. Put on the wall somewhere to do the test for the humidity. Okay, that's good. I was wondering if we got two of those. So this one is in here, so we have to take this off. And then this is the filter. Flying on the ground and dent the floor. So this is the filter. And these are the vents. So this is the filter. And then this is the vents. So I do need to buy another filter to go outside for this, the pre-filter. So this is like a Ew. What the hell is that? Silver stuff. It looks nasty. So yeah, and then this will help me lift it in, but then I can just take this off, which is probably what's going to happen. So this is the high pressure gauge and low pressure gauge for the assuming for the coolant. I don't know, I haven't read the instructions yet. So I got it out of the box, out of the bottom box tray, pretty easy. It's not that heavy really. This is obviously where you fill it up with gas, I presume. And this is the drain for the condensation in the tray. I think that's just going to drain straight into my bilge if there's any condensation. I don't think there'll be a lot that will get into that tray. A little bit, but I don't think there's going to be that much. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, it's alright. Okay, let's see what's inside the control box. Oh right, it's a side mount too. I can run the wires in sideways. That's pretty cool. Let's see what's inside the mounting box, in the control box. Oh wow. So, wow, it's, I don't know what that is, big capacitor I guess, or solenoids, capacitor. These are the hookups here for everything. I'll read the instructions to see what they are. I'm presuming that's neutral, I guess. And then clamp for that, wires to go into more exit, mounting exits. These. Okay. So this is inside the control box. Where do you put the controllers? So it plugs in there. It's like that. Well, when I read the instructions, it'll tell me what goes where. Yeah, I don't know. Things I can't see anything right now. So yeah, I don't know. So it goes somewhere in here. I'll figure it out. So yeah, so that's the inside of the control box of the MarinAire 16,000 BTU air conditioner. So it's 16,000 BTU cooling and 17,000 heating. So it does heating and cooling. And this is a 120 volt model. So yeah, so that's the one that I bought. So this RJ45 goes through here and goes into this RJ connector right here, goes in here. Where they've got this, it says stop, don't connect any exiting cable, use only cable, comes in box, so you can only use this one. But if I need a longer one, I'm going to have to call, this is a Cat 5, I'm going to have to call MarinAire and have them send me a longer cable, which I think I may need. I'm not sure. I don't know, I probably won't need a longer one, but apparently that's what they say. And then that will connect to the back of this, where it's got the opposite one. So I'm presuming that these are the ones for it. Look at that, cool. I need to get one of these covers in white. I want a white one. So, yeah, anyway. So that goes that, and that goes to that. It's simple. It's so easy to do. Yeah, too easy. And then just the power goes into here. Power goes here. These are 10 gauge. To get 10 gauge spade ones, and 10 gauge with these two. So I'm running 10 gauge triplex cable for my AC anyway, so that's they'll be perfect in there. And then that's it really for that. Well, this is handy, a wiring diagram for the back of it. So black is power supply to L. Turn this one the other way. Alright, there we go. Easy. Power supply to L. Black is L. Oops. L. L. White is the common or neutral. And then black for the pump, white for the pump. And then both grounds, yellows and greens, will go here. So this is the this is the ground here. Yeah, this is the ground here. Oh, sweet. Too easy. So they'll come in this way. And then pump power, pump power, neutral, common, white, and green will be that. So yeah, that works. I wonder what these are for. I wonder what these blades are for. Ah, yeah, probably the pump. Pump goes here. Well, where's the white pump? Huh, okay. I think I'll have my friend Randy help me with this. I mean, I'll do the work, but he's just going to show me what to do. So, yeah, that works out great. Okay, so I'm going to take these bottom brackets off because I don't need these. So, I'm going to drill these off. The drill starting and stopping. change out drill bits. There's one. Oh, my battery went dead. Damn it. Oh, I'll get this done later. You battery. High speed steel goes blunt real fast. Alright, I got the second one off, and then I'm just going to have to drill those out more. Bottom rivets off. I'm just going to have to get some stainless steel rivets, which I have, drill those out and put some new rivets in there, which I have those down my boat. So, but I got the two brackets off. Yeah, so I got both of the brackets off. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, anyway. So I won't need those. I'm going to wall mount it, so I'm going to for bottom mounting, floor mounting. I think I might even make a plate. Put a plate, a metal stainless steel plate over that. Might use these on something else. So seal that up too, and the one on the side. Seal both of these up with stainless steel plates. So yeah. Okie dokie. Okay, so anyway, so I'm going to put this back together, back in its box. Oh, we'll do one more thing. I'm going to put... So I was looking through the unit. So there's a humidity and sensor plug right here. And then they give you an extra one. A remote one. So they give you a remote humidity and temperature sensor to run remotely throughout your cabin, and that gets plugged in right there. So you disconnect the old one, the small one that's here, you put this other one in here, and this is where the Cat 5 cable goes in here, and then it goes to the controller, which is just a plug and play thing. So, alright, I got everything back in the box. Kind of got it repacked, but anyway, everything's back in the box, and then I'm gonna take this down the boat next week sometime and just put it on the boat. But I gotta get my water maker yet, and then figure out where I'm gonna situate the water maker. Then the air conditioner's gonna go in. Then I'll start hooking up all the air lines and water lines and everything. Alright, this is SY Sublime. Fair winds, temperate seas, margaritas and sandy toes.